Is your car running rough, stalling, or burning more gas than usual? Bad spark plugs could be the reason. Today we're breaking down the key symptoms so you can figure out if it's time for a replacement. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and hit subscribe. It really helps us keep making helpful content like this. Symptom 1. Engine misfires. One of the most common signs of bad spark plugs is engine misfires. If a plug isn't sparking properly, the air-fuel mixture won't ignite like it should, causing a rough or jerky feeling, especially when accelerating. Symptom 2. Rough idle. A failing spark plug can disrupt the combustion process, leading to a rough or uneven idle. If your car feels like it's shaking or sputtering when you're stopped, it's a good idea to check the plugs. Symptom 3. Poor fuel economy. Bad spark plugs make your engine work harder, which means it burns more fuel to get the same performance. If you've noticed your fuel mileage dropping, old or fouled spark plugs might be the cause. Symptom 4. Lack of power or poor acceleration. Is your car sluggish when you hit the gas? Faulty spark plugs can reduce engine power because they're not igniting the fuel-air mixture efficiently. This is especially noticeable during hard acceleration. Symptom 5. Hard starting. If your car struggles to start or takes longer to turn over, worn spark plugs could be to blame. Without a strong spark, your engine has a harder time firing up, especially in cold weather. Symptom 6. Check engine light. In many cases, bad spark plugs can trigger the check engine light. Misfires or inefficient combustion will throw a code that can be read with a scanner. Look for codes related to misfires, like P0300. Symptom 7. Strange noises. Do you hear a popping or rattling sound from your engine? That could be pre-ignition or detonation caused by bad plugs. This happens when the air-fuel mixture isn't burning properly, leading to those unusual sounds. What causes spark plug problems? Spark plugs wear out over time due to normal use. Other issues like oil leaks or carbon deposits can foul the plugs and make them fail prematurely. Keeping up with regular maintenance can prevent this. When to replace spark plugs? Most modern spark plugs last between 30,000 and 100,000 miles, depending on the type. Check your owner's manual or ask your mechanic for the recommended interval and replace them sooner if you notice any of these symptoms. If you have questions about your car, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.